In Python, you can define functions with parameters and return values. Here's a basic overview. Function parameters. You can pass parameters to a function when you define it. Parameters are the input values that a function expects. Python code. Def greet, name, print, hello, plus name plus quote. In this example, name is a parameter of the greet function. When you call this function later, you provide a value for name. Python code. Greet, Alice. Default parameter values. You can also provide default values for parameters. If a value is not provided when the function is called, the default value is used. Python code. Def greet, name, greeting equals hello, print, greeting plus name plus quote. In this case, if you don't provide a value for greeting, it will default to hello. Python code. Greet, Bob. Hash uses the default greeting. Greet, Alice. Hi. Hash provides a custom greeting. Return values. Functions in Python can return values using the return keyword. Python code. Def add underscore numbers. X, Y. Sum underscore result equals X plus Y. Return sum underscore result. You can then use the returned value in your code. Python code. Result equals add underscore numbers. 3, 5. Print. Result. Hash output. 8. Multiple return values. A function in Python can return multiple values as a tuple. Python code. Def get underscore coordinates. X equals 10. Y equals 5. Return X, Y. You can unpack the returned tuple when calling the function. Python code. X underscore coord. Y underscore coord equals get underscore coordinates. Print. X, quote. X underscore coord. Y, quote. Y underscore coord. This covers the basics of function parameters and return values in Python. As you delve deeper into programming, you'll encounter more advanced topics related to functions and their usage.